Welcome everyone. In today's video I wanted to talk about how you can reclaim a bit of money if you're very active in the Solana ecosystem. If you didn't know, every time you trade on a Serum Dex on a new pair, essentially what happens is that a bit of rent gets taken from your account. And in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about how you can reclaim that rent. So this is a re-upload from a previous video called Solana Tips and Tricks, but not a lot of people saw that, and I think that it is important now that I have new subscribers to the channel that you know about this so you can reclaim some SOL. So sometimes when you guys have made swaps, it might have been more expensive than you originally thought, and this is because they take 0.02 SOL out of your wallet as rent. So 0.02 SOL at the current price of 155 USD is about $3.10. And if you've done a lot of trades and you've opened up a lot of pairs, this can really add up. In fact, I think I have like $39 worth of SOL that has been taken away from me because I've traded so many different pairs. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that money back if you want. And just know that you'll have to pay that money again if you want to reopen this trading pair. So I've gone to swap.symmetry.finance, and you can go to other dexes to do this. Go to this page and then log in, and then you can click on this cog icon and then go to view open order accounts. And over here you can see the amount of markets that you have open and all the trading pairs that you have. And for each of these trading pairs that you have here, 0.02 SOL has been taken out of your wallet. So I'll show you how to close them. So literally all you need to do is just press close. But I'm going to show you first now on Symmetry Finance. This is like one of my portfolio wallets. So I currently have 4.86 SOL in this wallet. And if I press close, press approve. Okay, so hopefully that has refunded 0.02 SOL back into my wallet. There we go, 4.88 SOL is how much I now have. So I'll keep going ahead. You know what, guys, let's see if I can bring myself back to 4.9 SOL. There we go, 4.9112 SOL. So that's just money back. If you're actively trading on the Solana ecosystem, definitely do this because there's going to be a lot of token pairs here that you're probably never going to want to trade again, like Sale USDC. I'll take that money back, thank you. Mercurial Finance USDT. I'll take that back. Sell USDT. Thank you. FTT USDT. And there you go. I've just got back a ton of SOL. So I just wanted to thank Taiki for mentioning my channel within this video, highlighting 10 YouTubers with amazing channels. Go check it out because you can see some other great YouTubers in the space as well. I basically almost doubled my subscriber count from the shout, so I'd really like to thank Taiki for that. And you should start seeing more improvements around here. Like now that I've pushed past 1,000 subscribers, I've noticed that I've now got a following on YouTube. So I'm going to start taking things more seriously here with upgrades to my equipment. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.